Today is truly a historic day. The Indian Army, CRPF, and the Jammu and Kashmir Police, together in a joint operation, have successfully eliminated the chief of Hizbul Mujahideen, a terrorist named Riaz Naiku. Now, once this news came out in the early morning today, there was a lot of speculation whether this man was actually killed. And then the true colors of a few people started to come out. The armed forces hadn't issued an official statement yet. This was just speculation in the early hours today. But a few people were making tweets and making posts claiming that you will never be able to touch this man or he is out of your reach, etc. In the afternoon, the army issued an official statement and they clearly said that we are not going to identify the terrorist who was killed. We are not here to make a hero out of him. He was a terrorist and a terrorist has been killed, and that is what they said in their statement. Post this came a very shocking report by a left-wing portal. They claim to be a media house, but from the looks of an article what they published, it looks more like a left-wing portal. They said that the operational chief of Hizbul Mujahideen, Riaz Naiku, had been killed. They were glorifying this man, calling him the operational chief like this was some big enterprise, as if he was the chief operating officer of Apple or Google or something. They were glorifying this man. And throughout the article, they go on again to say how he was so traumatized by the Indian Defense Forces actions and he had no option but to become a terrorist and embrace terrorism. But throughout the article, one thing which really shocked me was the fact that these people refused to even use the word terrorist. Throughout the article, you don't even find a single mention of the word terrorist or terrorism, and they just go on to glorify about how he was leading a movement in Jammu and Kashmir, how he stopped a split between different terror organizations, etc. This level of journalism is truly shocking, and it is high time that we together throw out such people who are representing themselves as media houses, but their agenda is very, very clear to us. After all, it is a historic day. Let us be happy that such a terrorist has been eliminated, and let us not glorify this man. He was just a terrorist, as the army said, and he should die that way. Don't give him any recognition like these left-wing portals. Thank you. Jai Hind.